I change a natural nails, square nails to almond shape. If you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. Hello family, hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Please stay. If you are returning subscribers, welcome. My name is Zanele Mtemkolo and I am a stroke survivor. I'm living with a stroke for 14 years. So I love doing nails. It's my passion. So if you want to know how I change the square nails to almond shape, keep watching. So in this video, I didn't include the whole process of doing nails because my aim was to show you how easy to change the square nails to almond shape, the natural square nails to almond shape. So please don't get angry or annoyed by me. My aim was to show you how to change it. So this is builder gel, this one. This is builder gel overlay, this one from Blinkel. So you will see me in the video fill the nails, but I didn't include the whole thing, the whole process, because I didn't mean to do it the whole process. I wanted to show you to change the shape only. Right now I'm doing the fill. So after that I'll file off camera. I'll file and buff. After that I'll make the design off camera. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment and like and share. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. My God bless you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for watching for supporting, for your support. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. God bless you. To take your time to take it means a lot to me to take your time and watch my videos, even if it's not good as you expected, but you're watching it. Thank you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you. Subscribe and like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys. See you next time.